With auto insurance, we look at different factors that help us to predict whether a driver is going to be more likely or less likely to be at fault for a crash. Some of the factors that we look at include how much driving experience you have, whether you've been at fault for crashes or not, and whether you have any driving violations. Your driving experience is one very good way of predicting how likely it is that you'll be at fault in a crash. A very experienced driver is going to be less likely to be at fault for a crash, and because of that, they deserve to pay a lower premium for their insurance. A less experienced driver has a higher likelihood that they're going to be at fault in a crash. When you look at the numbers, a driver who has caused a crash in the past is much more likely to have another crash than a driver who has never had a crash before. People who have serious driving violations are much more likely to cause a crash. Should drivers who have serious violations, like impaired driving, pay more for their insurance? We have lots of ideas for how we think we could make the system fairer than it is today, but we really want to hear what you think. How long should crashes count against your driving record? How should older crashes be treated relative to newer crashes? And what about crashes involving drivers who aren't listed on the policy? How should they be treated? To provide your input, you can visit our website at ICBC.com. There, you can learn more about some of the risks that influence your premium and also the other key elements that go into changing our rating system. You'll also have an opportunity to provide your feedback through our online submission form, or consider attending one of our public open houses, which will be taking place across the province. Your feedback and input can help us design a fairer rating system for all of our customers.